Do you know of any way to heal oneself of the injuries from the current injection? Are you aware of anything?
There's an antidote, because these people wouldn't be injecting people unless they knew the answer. Suramin. Suramin. This is the most important antidote. It's 100-year-old essential medicine, WHO essential medicine for African sleeping sickness. You can inoculate the tiniest amount of Suramin and reverse autism.
Antidote Suramin against the forced COVID-19 vaccine, recommended by Dr. JUDY MAKOVITS, PhD. How to make Suramin from pine needle tea at home. Step 1. Get fresh edible pine needles, quantity, enough to fit between your thumb and forefinger. Step 2. After washing the pine needle, chop them up to help release the nutrients. Step 3. Drop the chopped pine needles into a cup of boiled water with a sieve and stir for 30 seconds. If you look close, you should be able to see the nutrients being released into the water. Step 4. Cover the cup and leave it for 10 minutes. Step 5. After 10 minutes, remove the sieve. The pine needle tea is now ready to drink. Drink 2 to 3 times per day minimum.
Some additional benefits of pine needle tea besides fighting the vaccine. Pine needle tea has a pleasant taste and smell. It is rich in vitamin C, 5 times the concentration of vitamin C found in lemons, and can bring relief to conditions such as heart disease, varicose veins, skin complaints and fatigue. Pine needle tea also contains high levels of vitamin A, which is good for your eyesight, improves hair and skin regeneration and improves red blood cell production. It can be used as an expectorant for coughs and to help relieve chest congestion. It is also good for sore throats. It can help with depression, obesity, allergies and high blood pressure. Pine needles contain antioxidants. These reduce free radicals, which are harmful to humans and can cause disease. Taoist priests drank pine needle tea as they believed it made them live longer. There is researched evidence that pine needle tea can help slow the aging process.
Suramin has inhibitory effects against components of clotting and against the inappropriate replication and modification of RNA and DNA.
No time to make pine needle tea yourself or don't have access to pine needles. Information is provided in the description below and on our website. For ready-to-use packaged pine needle products,